Are you wondering what's really going on with Bitcoin's latest crash? Well, stick around because we've uncovered something that most people are completely missing. Bitcoin recently faced a 24% correction from its all-time high, causing panic across the market. But is this just another short-term setback, or is there a bigger opportunity at play? Today on Profit Powerhouse, we'll break down the real reasons behind this crash, the role of macroeconomic events, and what historical data suggests about Bitcoin's next big move. Stay with us, this is one video you don't want to miss. Bitcoin has started recovering from its steep 24% correction, which many believe is largely tied to the ongoing trade tensions, particularly involving Donald Trump. If you've been following our updates here on Profit Powerhouse, you already know how global events can shake up the crypto market. Today, we're not just looking at Bitcoin's dip but also diving into major news regarding Bank of America, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Plus, we'll discuss insights from Raul Pala and why Solana is catching the attention of investors once again. Just yesterday, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index dropped to an extreme low of 10, signaling major fear in the market. Historically, when this index plunges, weak hands exit the market, leading to a strong bounce back. If you zoom out and analyze past patterns, every time the index has dropped this fast, a major price movement followed within 1 to 2 months. This data, backed by extensive research from analysts, suggests that Bitcoin may be on the verge of another significant price surge. Looking at historical trends, we can see a clear pattern. For example, in December 2018, the Fear and Greed Index hit a low of 8. Just 2 months later, Bitcoin skyrocketed by over 330%, climbing from around $3,200 to over $13,000. A similar situation occurred during the COVID-19 crash in March 2020, and the index plummeted to 9. Within a month, Bitcoin surged by 75%, moving from approximately $4,000 to $7,000. Fast forward to May 2021, when China's Bitcoin mining crackdown led to another major market downturn. The index fell to 10, but within 2 months, Bitcoin rebounded over 33%, jumping from $30,000 to $40,000. These past trends indicate that extreme fear in the market often signals buying opportunity rather than a reason to panic.
At the moment, Bitcoin has been testing the 200-day simple moving average, a critical support level. Historically, maintaining above this level has been a strong indicator of an ongoing bull market. If Bitcoin holds above this range, we could see a relief rally soon. However, if it drops below, the next key support level sits around $70,000, a range we've been monitoring for months now. With rapid price increases, sudden pullbacks are normal, so staying level-headed and analyzing these data points is crucial. Now shifting our focus to Ethereum, Bank of America has announced plans to launch a USD-pegged stablecoin pending regulatory approval. This move signals growing institutional involvement in crypto and further legitimizes digital assets in the traditional financial space. If approved, this stablecoin could bridge the gap between conventional banking and decentralized finance, making transactions smoother and more efficient. Meanwhile, Web3 adoption continues as music legend Snoop Dogg has launched a new single exclusively on Hedera's TuneFM, a decentralized streaming platform. This shift highlights the increasing use of blockchain technology in the entertainment industry, paving the way for artists to gain more control over their content and earnings. In other news, the emerging low-cap altcoin CookieDAO is making waves. As the first decentralized data layer for AI and DeFi, it aims to provide accessible market intelligence without the barriers of expensive subscription models. With CookieDAO set to launch version 1.0 soon, we could see increased adoption and integration within the crypto ecosystem. Speaking of major trends, macro investor Raul Pala has identified that Solana is currently 2 standard deviations oversold, meaning the probability of a strong price rebound is increasing. Similar to Bitcoin's Fear and Greed Index, extreme overselling conditions often precede sharp recoveries. If historical trends hold, this could present a key opportunity for investors. Before we wrap up, let's talk about MetaMask's new initiative. MetaMask is launching a debit card with cashback rewards in collaboration with Ethereum's Layer 2 solution, Linea. This move integrates traditional finance with Web3, further driving mainstream adoption of blockchain-based financial services. So what's your take on Bitcoin's current state? Do you believe we're about to see another major surge, or is more downside ahead? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this analysis valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse. Stay ahead in the crypto game with real-time updates and expert insights. See you in the next one.